Hi, welcome to this tutorial on using templates in Canva. I would say for the large majority of folks, especially those people just getting started here, you're going to use the templates inside of Canva. You can take those templates, you can edit them to your own liking, you can change the pictures, you can change the colors, edit the content, edit the material, and share them in a variety of ways. So we want to show you how to A, find those templates, and then B, use, edit, adjust them as needed. So there's several places to locate templates. We use the templates menu here on the left-hand side. That will bring up a variety of suggestions where we can do subjects, classroom decor. Down here, you can filter that way across the board. So there's lots of options there. Some people also like the templates menu across the top here by specific then sort of genre, social media, personal business, whatever it happens to be. But a large majority of people, if you know specifically what you're looking for, you can just search for it in the search bar here. Now, one thing to be aware of, make sure that you're on the templates button. If you're on your projects, you're going to search your projects or your content, things you've already made or created for that. So I want to switch it over to templates. Let's say, for example, I want to do a bookmark. I'm going to have kids design their own bookmark for specific things, or maybe you're going to make one. And I'm going to do a quick search. Currently, there are slightly more than 4,500 different bookmark options that I can scroll through and take a look at. Again, all of these are 100% editable. Okay, check, make sure you see the Pro logo here. So as you get into some of those, you'll just want to make sure some of those items may or may not actually be editable or alterable by you, but you do have the Canva for Education account, so it should be okay. Lots of those are usable. So let's say, for example, let's say I want to do this one. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to open. One of the things that's also nice about Canva, as soon as you click on a template, it automatically makes a copy of the template in your projects. It's very similar to Google, and then it auto saves. So for example, up here in the top, this is where you're going to find the name of your project. So right now it's what it's called. Let's say we want to call it, we're going to call it sample bookmark. Okay, so it's very similar to Google products in that you can just rename it in the top and that it auto saves all the time. While we're doing that, across the top here, I'll show you some tools of the templates or any projects that you're using. So you'll see here the changes have been saved. We've got the redo and undo button. There is a resize option for what's here. And then some additional options for, I can go right now, it's 2x6, which means if I want to actually print this, I can see it. I can switch it to pixels if I know the specific size, say maybe like a Google Classroom header. There's also some choices here when we're picking those. In File, there are some rulers and guides you can see if you want to do those. You can also make a copy. This is a big one. So if you've got something, a project you like, and then year to year, you're going to reuse it, but you need to update the information. So there's an option there for make a copy. So there are some different template options then. And throughout here in the next tutorial video as well, then we'll show you how to use and start to actually use those editing tools for the templates. You can use here's the plus button. This is how I can share this design. Okay, so for example, I can do this with an email. Okay. I can make that person then can edit, can comment, or can view. So that's how I can add collaborators as part of that. And again, this is a template. As soon as I select it, it makes a copy in my projects. So if I come back out to the home menu and I go to my projects, I now see that I have sample bookmark as being saved. So there is no, you don't have to make a copy. You don't have to download it. You don't have to do any of those things. When you choose a template and you start working on it, it automatically creates a copy in your projects, and you can edit and it'll save as it goes. Thanks.